I hope you got to enjoy part 1 of where we were looking at what we are going to set up in this studio unit. On this second part of Beyond the Booking special edition, we are going to dive deep into what are some of the decor we are going to be looking at, how we are going to set up, and hopefully we get to see how the entire space turns out. Come with me today.
Alafu tutaweka vijiko sita, fork sita, spoon ndogo.
Imeandika fork, spoon, teaspoon, sio?
Teaspoon. Knives, 2 knives. Bali niambie nitakuwa. Naweka serving spoon ya 2. Weka nini wooden mwiko. Oh, hiyo tulichukua set. Weka the set.
Mwiko set?
Yeah. But this is still very nice because it's the same thing. Tea, coffee, sugar. So it has its own aina lakini aina place ya kusimamisha.
Iko nayo.
The other one ile ilikuwa na
wooden inakaa hivi.
Ilikuwa ka wooden kana kaa hivi.
Now hii ni flat.
Sasa pia ni tofauti na ile nyingine.
Ile nyingine ilikuwa ya ile square.
Nakaa kama hiyo.
Si nitakuangalia square.
Hata si lazima. But sasa na pesa yake itakula sana.
Itakula. Ni confused kidogo. Na si tu. Beige is
White.
white, beige. Beige.
So you do a dispenser?
Alright, now let's source for throw pillows, and some floor mats. Here we go. After selecting the hand towels, we go straight to purchasing electronics and some kitchen appliances.
Spring, high power, I like the 1500 watts, top capacity, chili for flavor. Black, huh?
Yeah, it's on black.
Mko mnasomea wapi? Amfo mna Kenton? Cha maji? Ya chai? Ya chai?
Chai gani?
Unainama breakfast. Hi, Anne.
Hi.
How was the shopping?
God. Oh, terrible. But still amazing. I feel like we got most of the things we wanted. So, sisi hao tunarudi Kamukunji. Oh, wapi? Dindigwa.
You're from
Dindigwa. You're from Kamukunji. Yeah. So,
it's been a day.
It's been a day. Yeah.
It's chicken already. Jameni.
Jameni. Kazi ilikuwa moja. Mshango kabisa.
We are here
at the Indigo. We just arrived. Some little shopping, mostly kitchen items, bedroom items, decor. So we shall not be unboxing right now. So we are looking forward to doing that tomorrow. We are expecting the foodie. We are expecting the cleaner. We are expecting the Wi-Fi guys tomorrow. We are expecting the TV tomorrow for setup. Mounting, the mattress tomorrow. So let's see how the day goes tomorrow. See you.
So this is the next day. We were not able to record most of the things. I think we were generally just wanted to finish up with the whole setup. So here we go. Let's see what we were able to capture.
That was great. Oh yeah, no, no,
The final day, we went out to look for final pieces like art pieces, decor pieces for the shelf, and then we were ready for a photo shoot. Let's see how this one went.
I know you're a photographer, so don't judge me.
This is your favorite.
Yeah, the lower part.
Finally, our studio unit is ready for any form of booking. Yay! And if you've liked the whole vlog all along, please like, share and subscribe. Remember, if you'd like to book this unit, you can find it on our website or on Airbnb platforms, or you can simply just reach out to us. I hope you've enjoyed yourself and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.